Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the background transparent in Canva. This is quick and simple once you know where to look, and it can make a huge difference in how your design looks and feels. Whether you're creating a product image for your Shopify store or designing a promotional graphic, transparency can help you achieve a cleaner, more professional look. Start with your design open in Canva and identify the background element you want to fade. This might be a photo that fills the page or a colored shape sitting behind your content. Click that background to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding handles around it and a context toolbar appears at the top of the screen. This is a great technique to use when you want to isolate your background from other elements, like your logo or product images. On that toolbar, find the little checkered icon. That icon is Canva's transparency control. Click it to open a slider. Now, drag the slider to adjust the see-through level. Moving left decreases opacity, making the background more transparent so elements beneath become visible. Moving right increases opacity, keeping the background solid. For quick reference, 100 means fully solid, and 0 means completely transparent. This allows you to adjust the background to fit your specific needs. Whether you're designing a banner for your Shopify store or creating a background for your social media posts. If you want to hide the background so you can line up or preview other elements without distraction, pull it all the way down to 0. This is especially helpful when you're working on designs where the background might be competing with your content, like product images or text. If you just want a soft, subtle background that supports your text without overpowering it, try gently lowering the slider until your content stands out comfortably. As you slide, watch the canvas update in real time. This makes it easy to dial in the exact balance you like. For example, you can lower the transparency of your background image so your product text pops, while still maintaining a visual context with a faded background. Nothing is permanent here, so feel free to experiment. If the background becomes too faint, simply raise the slider again to restore it. You can always click away to see how the overall layout feels, then reselect the background and fine-tune the transparency. This flexibility allows you to refine your design until it's exactly how you want it, without worrying about making permanent changes. If the transparency option doesn't appear, double-check that you actually selected the background element itself rather than a different layer. Sometimes, a large image or shape is locked under other items, so a precise click along the edge can help. If your background is part of a grouped set of elements, adjusting transparency will affect the entire selection together. This is useful when you're working with a cohesive design, like a multi-product graphic or a logo with text and shapes, and you want everything to stay in harmony. This tool is especially helpful when layering text, icons, or illustrations. Slight transparency gives your design depth and keeps the focus on key information. It's a great way to ensure your text remains readable while still allowing a background image or color to support the design. It also helps when you're aligning elements with a grid or background photo. Lowering transparency temporarily can reveal guides and edges underneath, making it easier to fine-tune your layout for a balanced look. This feature is especially useful when you're working on designs with multiple layers and want to make sure everything aligns perfectly. That's really all there is to it. Click the background, hit the checkered transparency icon, and drag the slider to the level you want. For a completely see-through background while you work, set it to 0. To bring it back, raise it again. With this simple control, you can create cleaner layouts, improve readability, and refine your design in seconds. This little trick can make a big difference in how polished and professional your designs look, whether you're creating something for your Shopify store, social media, or marketing materials. Happy designing!